Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the second and final part of my Honda S2000 model build. In this video, I will show you how I painted and customized the interior, assembled the suspension and brakes, and towards the end, you'll see how I made my model shine like a mirror. So stick around if you want to learn how I did it. In the video, I've begun by painting the center of the steering wheel black. I believe this will enhance its appearance and match the look of the seats and door panels. After painting the steering wheel, I glued the radiator grille in place as it was ready for installation. Once I finished with the grille, I began working on the rear drivetrain assembly. I really appreciate how detailed this model is. Every suspension arm is intricately designed, resembling the real car, and the differential looks authentic. The suspension appears very realistic as well. To make it look even more realistic, I added some panel liner in all the holes and lines for a weathered effect. Now it's time to take care of the taillights. I filled the holes with chrome mirror paint using a silicone brush tool and left it aside to dry. I also painted the keyhole in the doors with the same paint for added detail.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like
For the dashboard, to make it look as realistic as possible, I fill the area where the speedometer is located with UV resin and set it under a UV lamp for a few minutes to ensure it cured completely. I also used the same resin for the steering wheel logo to enhance its appearance.
Strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I
For the carpet, I had some yellow flocking powder. However, I made a mistake that becomes visible upon closer inspection. I applied the powder with a small spoon onto a black surface, which is now noticeable through the flocking layer. Later, I realized that I should have painted all the surfaces where I applied the powder in yellow. This would have resulted in a much better appearance. Unfortunately, it was too late to make that change, so I learned a valuable lesson. For the exhaust, I wanted to achieve a weathered look, so I used a combination of 3 colors airbrushed in order to give a burnt, slightly rusty appearance. The colors I used were bronze, copper, and hull red. For the undercarriage, I used a Tamiya weathering kit specifically designed for heat staining, which provided an excellent final touch as a detail.
an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it
For the
up
brake
on the
rotors,
attack.
I want to try a method I had been considering for some time. I found some aluminum tape and thought about cutting it to size and sticking it onto the rotors. To make it look even more realistic, I installed a wool pad on my detail drill and spun it on the tape for a few seconds. This helped create the appearance of wear, making it resemble a real, used brake rotor. I then carefully cut out the round shape with my hobby knife. After making a few more cuts and bending the material, I managed to attach it to the rotors. I am very happy with the result, and I plan to improve this method, as I find it much better than using chrome paint. Life gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I didn't like the clear look of the taillights, so I painted them with Tamiya Smoke Clear. After applying 4 layers, the glass looked as dark as I wanted. For the final step in building this model, I needed to polish it because some dust particles had settled in the clear coating. I started by wet sanding with 2000 grit sandpaper, followed by 3000 grit, making sure to keep a safe distance from the sharp edges. Once I completed the sanding, I moved on to polishing using a 3-step polish system designed for real cars. The results were astonishing. The model now shines like crystal. It's amazing what a good polish can achieve. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. And make sure to stick around because I've got some new and exciting models coming up very soon. See you there.